Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two impressive smartphone gimbals, the FeiyuTech AK2000C and the DJI Ronin-SC. The big question is, which one offers better stability for cinematic shots? Let's dive in. The FeiyuTech AK2000C is a lightweight, compact gimbal designed for smooth, stable shots. It features 3-axis stabilization and has a max payload of 2.2 kilograms, making it suitable for larger smartphones or cameras. With its advanced algorithms and intuitive controls, the AK2000C ensures minimal shake, even in dynamic movements, delivering smooth cinematic footage. It also comes with a touchscreen interface that gives you full control over your settings, making it a versatile option for filmmakers on the go. The DJI Ronin-SC is known for its exceptional stability and smoothness during filming, especially for cinematic shots. With 3-axis stabilization and a maximum payload of 2 kilograms, it can support a variety of smartphone setups while ensuring smooth, precise movements. The Ronin-SC also uses DJI's ActiveTrack 3.0 technology for automatic subject tracking, which is great for keeping the shot stable while moving. Its focus wheel allows for fine control of your camera's focus, making it an excellent choice for creating professional-grade cinematic shots. Which has better stability for cinematic shots? The DJI Ronin-SC stands out with its superior stabilization algorithms and additional features like ActiveTrack 3.0 and the focus wheel, which make it a more reliable choice for professional-level cinematic filming. While the FeiyuTech AK2000C is a great option for stability, the Ronin-SC takes the edge when it comes to creating ultra-smooth cinematic footage. Which gimbal would you choose for your cinematic shots? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.